Right here, I need to confirm before we place an order, we had 142 followers, right? So as you can see right here, we currently have 148 followers, which means that these followers are already counting, right? Easy peasy. You can see it was 142 followers and currently is 148 followers. Guys, in this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to boost your WhatsApp followers in Ghana in 2026. All you need to do is to make sure that you watch this video from beginning to the end, as I'm going to introduce you guys to this website called growbettergh.com. All you need to do is to click on the link in the description. It will take you to the website and do exactly the same thing I'm going to be doing in this video. So make sure you watch the video from beginning to the end. So the first thing we need to do is to create an account. How then do we create an account on this platform? Is very simple. We just need to come to this sign up right here. Can you see the sign up right here? Tap on it and it's going to take you to this place where you're going to create a username. While creating your username, make sure you write it together and come right here and put your email right here. Can you see your email? Come right here, put your email, and come right here, create a password, and come and confirm your password right here. And you can see this I'm human right here beside the box. All you need to do is for you to just tap on it and it's going to load. And once it's ticked, all you need to do is for you to click on the sign up right here and your account is going to be created. But because I already have an account, there's no need for me to start creating a new account. So all I need to do basically is for me to log in and show you guys exactly how you can boost your WhatsApp followers in Ghana in 2026. So let's go. So right now I've logged into my account, and when you log into your account, is exactly how it's going to be looking like. So the first thing you need to do is for you to come to this category right here. Can you see this category right here? All you need to do is for you to come and tap on it, and once you tap on it, you don't need to go and scroll down right here, down and look for WhatsApp or followers. But to make it easy for you, come to this search right here. Can you see this search right here? Tap on it and just immediately search WhatsApp. And what you search on it, select this first one, which is WhatsApp member. You just need to tap on it and come to this service right here. Can you see this service right here? Tap on it and select this first one, which is WhatsApp member. Tap on it and read the description. The description stated that the start time is 0 to 1 hour. They say that you can get 200 plus a day and also no refill. And they said the link you need is your channel link or your group link. So come to this page, they wrote link, and it starts your channel link. So how do you now copy your channel link? Is very easy. So the first thing we need to do is for us to come to WhatsApp and use a particular channel. So I'm going to be using this particular channel right here. So this particular channel, let's check how many followers it has. It has 142 members in it. So all we need to do basically is for us to copy the link. So let me show you guys how to copy the link. How to copy link is for you to come to this share right here, tap on it and come right here. You can see copy link right here. Can you see this copy link right here? Tap on it and your link is copied. Or you can actually come right here, up right here. Can you see this up right here? You can see this icon right here. Can you see this icon right here? Tap on it and you can see this copy link right here. Can you see this copy link right here? Tap on it and your link is copied. Then come right here on GrowBetter and paste your link and come to this quantity. Quantity is the amount of followers you want. In this video, I only want 10 followers to use it to teach you guys something. So I just need to insert 10. And the next thing I need to do basically is for me to click on this submit right here. Can you see this submit right here? You just need to tap on it. And once you tap on it, you can see right here, they say our order has been received. All we need to do basically is for us to actually exercise patience, and these followers will start coming into our account. But before then, I want you guys to understand that whatever you're doing in this platform is not free. You need to pay money for you to actually get them. So how then do you fund an account in this platform? Is very easy. All you need to do is to come to this 3 line up here. Can you see this 3 line up here? Tap on it. And once you tap on it, you just need to come to this add fund right here. Can you see this add fund right here? Tap on it. And once you tap on it, all you need to do is for you to read the instruction. Instruction stated, kindly make payment to the account number below. You can see the Momo, you can see the name on it. And also they say you should not send below 20 cedis. Right here they say payment should be from 20 cedis up, do not send below. Right, they said provide proof of payment screenshot with your username so that your payment can be confirmed and completed. Click on this link to get directed to our admin. Contact us. Right, so all you need to do is either you click on this contact us or you click on this WhatsApp icon right here. It will take you to the WhatsApp number. Send them your proof of payment, and your GrowBetter username, they are going to confirm your payment for you. Easy peasy. So this is exactly how to fund an account in this platform. All right, so let's go and check if the followers we purchased is already counting. So we don't need to come back to WhatsApp. Right here, I need to confirm before we place an order. We had 142 followers, right? So as you can see right here, we currently have 148 followers, which means that these followers are already counting, right? Easy peasy. You can see it was 142 followers and currently is 148 followers, right? So it means that it's counting, and before you know it, it's going to complete the 10 that we place, right? So if you want like 1,000 100,000, 10,000. You just need to put the amount that you want, right? Easy peasy. So this is exactly how you can actually boost your WhatsApp channel in 2026 in Ghana, and it's very simple. All you need to do is to come to this platform, create an account, and do exactly the same thing I just did in this video, and you'll be able to get these followers. So thank you all for watching, and see you in my next video.